Yeah, I don't look too bad on video. Really, I look better on there than I do in real life.
I think you look better in person.
You do? Well, now it's kind of big.
I'm about the same on video.
No, you look better in person. You look Majors feeling good, Doris. Big noses, big eyes. Perfect. Big.
Grandma.
Oh. Well, Mother, you look good on video.
You do.
She likes to be on it.
Look how.
Oh, are you taping?
Yeah.
Notice the fine, intricate details.
But it's good. Made by Lori Ralston's.
I'll be like one of those ladies on the game shows.
What's her name? The one that's in Playboy?
Vanna White.
Vanna. It can be yours for the price
of $300.
Run your hand across it. Slower.
And Joan can make a toga out of it.
Yeah, you want to make a toga?
Grandma, just smile.
What are you going to do? Take a picture of me? Don't take too many because you're in your camera and you...
This piece of rubber that broke this has been here for probably 5 years now.
Oh, okay.
It broke off of there, and sometimes she washes it with her clothes.
Grandma, what are you saving it for?
What are you saving it for? She said she's saving it because someday if she sells the washer, she might need it.
I paste it on there.
Do what with it?
Paste it back on there.
What kind of paste you gonna use? Stanley glue.
Tape. Tape.
Oh.